The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a blizzard warning for Brown County, Falk County, Hyde County, Hutchinson County and Yankton County until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar has detected a blizzard just 5 miles south of Aberdeen, moving east at 73 miles per hour. Hazard, 73 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Snow and sleet will make it hard to see and roads will become harder to drive on. 4 to 7 inches of snow is to be expected. We repeat, the National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a blizzard warning for the following counties in South Dakota: Brown County, Falk County, Hyde County, Hutchinson County and Yankton County.